Thank you.
Okay, so
Yeah. Okay, done. Just NRI of the Evening Award. Done.
it feels amazing and it feels like out of the world. It's my first film and it getting appreciated all over the world and not just our country is something that we are very proud of and very excited. So I am very happy. It's your fun. See, acting takes way much more time than singing. Singing हम जाते हैं 2-2.5 घंटे में खत्म हो जाता है मैक्सिमम गाना रिकॉर्ड करना. But for acting, months of preparations go on. So yes, it is more difficult for me. Being a singer.
I think they are people who have done extremely well and made themselves as well as the country proud. And it's a good effort to award them, to reward them, to recognize them and their efforts, and to of course make them feel a little special. So I think it's a great effort to have these awards, to give them that little moment of glory and tell them that they are appreciated, their efforts are appreciated. I think he's a global icon. He's the eternal global icon. There's nobody as magnificent and as wonderful as he is, as a person as well as an actor, and an achiever, most importantly. So rightfully so, he deserves that much. Stuff happening. As soon as it gets materialized, I will let you know.
Just get to know something.
What do you need to know? What do you want to know? Yeah, I will. I'm just, I'm a little superstitious about it. I will tell you the entire thing. Just a little more time and I will be making it.
I feel it's a fabulous initiative. It is the first NRI Awards, which is, I think, an initiative of Times Now. And I believe in today's times where we are more and more becoming, in very cliched known terms, but a global village, where it's very important that we be exchanging energies. No better people to start with is our own people out there who are representing our country and who to that extent are always rooted back to the motherland. So I believe it's a beautiful initiative to be honouring people who have done us proud and who hopefully remain connected for a long time and help India move far ahead in the coming years. I think there's nothing new that I can say that hasn't been said before, but yes, he is unbelievable in terms of being a true icon, somebody who has inspired generations and who continues to do so, and has a voice, has a say, has a point of view beyond his domain, and that's what inspires, I think, all of us in my generation and in the coming generations. He's not merely an actor, he's somebody we look up to on so many fronts that yes, it's an honor to be in the same venue, to be in a place where he is being awarded in this award function.
धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ टाइम्स नाउ को, ICICI बैंक को कि उन्होंने मुझे इस पुरस्कार से आज सम्मानित किया है. मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि मैं केवल एक अकेला इंसान नहीं हूँ जिसे ये पुरस्कार दिया जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर एंटरटेनमेंट की दुनिया की बात की जाए तो मेरे बहुत से साथी हैं और बहुत से जवान जनरेशन, यंगर जनरेशन के एक्टर्स और एक्ट्रेसेस हैं. इनकी वजह से भारत की फिल्म इंडस्ट्री जो है वो दूर देशों में जानी जाती है. तो उन सब की तरफ से ये पुरस्कार मैं उन सबको डेडिकेट करता हूँ. कुछ ऐसे ज़माना था जब ज़्यादा फिल्में मेरी रिलीज़ नहीं हुई थी, लेकिन कई सालों से ये जो स्टेज शोज़ होते थे, इन सब की एक तरह से मैंने शुरुआत की 1980 के दशक में, और तब पता चला कि हम लोग कितने प्रिय हैं उनके लिए और वो हमारे लिए कितने प्रिय हैं, और तब से एक ये सिलसिला चलता रहा है. और मैं हृदय से धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि वो इसी तरह अपना स्नेह प्यार दिखाते रहें.